If you place your baby octopus under a UV blacklight, nothing happens. But if you place your scorpion under a UV blacklight, something very unusual happens. Ultraviolet light hits the scorpion's exoskeleton, is absorbed, and then released back into the world at a different wavelength that we can see. It's kind of like how squirrel skulls, compared to other animals, glow pink under a UV blacklight. But there's one big difference. Notice how the light released by the scorpion has an even longer wavelength than the light released by the squirrel. That means instead of glowing pink, like a squirrel skull, it will glow a different color. Green. Again, for reference, here's what an octopus looks like, and here's what a scorpion looks like. It's green.